Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you how to use the Action Mode on your iPhone 14 series. Action Mode is a fantastic feature for recording smooth, steady videos, even when you're on the move. Let's dive into how to activate it. First, open the Camera app. Swipe to the Video mode. You'll see an icon that looks like a person running. That's the Action Mode. Tap it to turn it on. Now, start recording your video. Action Mode stabilizes your footage, making it smooth even if you're walking, running, or in a moving vehicle. For the best results, ensure good lighting and try to keep your hand as steady as possible. Action Mode does a great job, but a little steadiness helps. Remember, you can also use other camera features like zoom and focus while in Action Mode. Experiment to capture amazing videos. That's all for using Action Mode on the iPhone 14 series. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Everything channel. Any questions? Comment below and I'll reply to all. Thanks for watching.